Good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us teach me unit number 8. Unit number 8. Who ate our lunch? You know, all know that 8 means, what is the meaning of 8? 8 means who had their lunch. Our lunch. Lunch means afternoon. Afternoon lunch. Afternoon you eat the meals. That is called lunch. Yes, children, let us read the lesson. It was a Sunday. Arun and Rohit spent the day by Vasant Nagar swimming pool. Yes, let us read once more. It was a Sunday. Sunday all will be having holiday. Yes or no, children? You go for the picnic, you go for different places. You don't have school. So you will be going for different parks. You will be going for parks and you will be going for dam. Yes or no, children? Yes. Arun and Rohit were two friends. They were two friends. Yes, you can see here the two friends are swimming. They are going to Vasant Nagar swimming pool. Now you go to different Sondur. You have a Sondur place there. You have a swimming pool there. Kishkinda. You have swimming pool there. If you have one day, Sunday you will be having a holiday, you won't have a school, you will go for enjoyment. Yes or no, children? Yes, here also Rohit and Arun were two friends. They planned to go for Vasant Nagar swimming pool. Yes, children. Arun and Rohit spent the day by Vasant Nagar swimming pool. They took their lunch with them. They both took their lunch with them. If we go to the parks, we go to the picnic, we prepare, your mothers will prepare the food. They prepare the lunch and they will go there and you all will eat. All together sit and eat, enjoying. Yes or no, children? Yes, they have bought the lunch to eat. What had you bought for a lunch? Rohit asked his friend. Rohit asked his friend, what you bought the lunch to eat? He was asking his friend Arun. Yes, Arun what is telling? See, chutney and vegetable sandwich. Chutney and vegetable sandwiches and 2 samosas. What Arun answered that he has bought chutney and vegetable sandwich and 2 samosas. Arun said, what had you bought? Now Rohit asked his friend Arun. Arun has bought what he bought for lunch to eat. He has given him answer. Now Arun is asking Rohit, what you bought? Rohit opened his lunch box and I have bought some sandwiches too, he said. He felt very happy by seeing his lunch box and he felt very happy and what he has told, I brought some sandwiches too. What he bought, let us read here. And some biscuits. He bought some biscuits also. What's in your sandwich? Arun asked. What he asked in your sandwiches, what it was? Let me see, said Rohit and bit into his sandwich and it was his favorite. It was his favorite. Rohit bought the sandwiches. It was his favorite. What? Let us see what his favorite was. So, he smiled happily. It's chicken, he said. He felt very happy because it was his favorite chicken sandwich he brought. Can I have some of his chicken sandwich? Arun asked Rohit, can I have one of your chicken sandwich? He asked. I will give you one of my veg and chutney sandwich. You give me one chicken sandwich, I will give you chutney and veg sandwich for you, he asked. All right, Rohit said. That's a good idea. Can I have one of your samosa? Rohit is telling it's good. It's a good idea. Can you give me one samosa of your samosa? You can give me for me one samosa. I will give you some of my biscuits. I will give some of my biscuits. You give me one samosa also. Yes, in our school time, now you'll come to school, children. You all will share with your friends. You all will be sitting with your friends to eat your lunch. Yes? Yes, you all will sit here with your friends to have your lunch, no? You all will share your tiffin. You all will share your tiffin and eat. Yes or no, children? Yes, that's good, Arun said. But let us go and swim first. They made the arrangements for their after swim grab and went away to swim. Here you can see the two friends are swimming here in Vasant Nagar swimming pool, and you can see here they have their snacks and lunch here. They have kept the lunch here and they start swimming in the swimming pool. What will happen? You can see the next stanza. Let us read the next stanza. The pool was very deep, so the two boys not only swam but also played happily till they could no more control their hunger. See, if we go in water, we feel very happy by swimming in the water. We will be playing in the water. We don't come outside soon till we feel very hungry. We feel very happy to play in the water. Yes or no, children? Yes, I also feel very happy playing in the water. Till the both boys was very hungry. They felt hungry. That time they are coming outside. Till that time they were playing in the pool. The pool manager sat in his office and watched them from there. The manager means what is the meaning of manager? Manager means one who manage an office. Excuse me. One who manage an office, he is called an manager. He will be taking care of that swimming pool, who will be coming, going, what they are doing, the things are going correctly or no. He will be watching all that. The manager was sitting in the office and he was watching the children playing each other. He too had bought his children. The manager, what he has done, he has bought his two children for swimming pool. The manager and his children went into changing room. See, as well as both the manager children too and Rohit, Arun also, they were 4 children. They were playing in the water. They came outside and they went for changing room to change their dress. Rohit and Arun came to the place where they had left their food and other items. After playing in the pool, they felt very hungry. They came and they changed their dresses in the changing room. Changing room, they have changed the dresses. Manager's children, 2 children, they both also have come there and they changed their dresses there. After that, they were shocked and see that a goat was eating their lunch. It was hungry too. They were shocked by seeing that. They came to have their lunch after changing their dress. They came to have their lunch where they have left the lunch there, kept the lunch there. After seeing that, they felt very bad because the goat was eating their lunch. What they have done, let us see here. They were very hungry. It was hungry too. The goat also was feeling very hungry. What they did? They did not do anything. They did not beat it because the goat also was feeling very hungry. It removed their tiffins and goat had their lunch. But Rohit or Arun did not have their lunch. They felt very bad. Understood, children? Hope you all understood. Thank you, children.